Alright, today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to make a solder joint like a pro. So first off, I strip my ends of my wire about 1 inch long using my pinky bent over as a reference. Alright, next, twist your end of your wire tight. Okay, next, you want to slide your heat shrink over your wire. Alright, now I'm using the MG Chemicals 8341 no clean flux paste. This is a must-have. I'm running my soldering iron at about 850 degrees, really hot. That's how I run it. And I'm using the Kester 0.50 millimeter rosin core lead flux wire. Alright, gonna clean your tip of your iron, the brass. Alright, make sure that's clean. And grab your wire, hold it like this. Gonna make what's called a European joint. It's bending the wire over itself like this. You want to wrap it like that over itself, just like that. This will make a very, very strong joint. Very, very strong joint. All right, next, load it up with the flux paste. Put your bead on it. Alright, now load your iron with your flux wire. Put your iron till it almost drips, it'll blob up. Alright, now take your iron to your middle of your wire and it's going to vacuum it up. It's going to suck it right in there. See how clean it is? Alright, next, I'm going to slide your heat shrink over your joint and use a cigarette lighter or heat gun. Put your heat on it like so. This joint's going to be there for a lifetime. It'll be there till the cows come home. And then some on top of it. Okay? Make sure your heat shrink's good and tight. A watertight connection. And that's it, guys. Like and subscribe for more tech tips from Twisted Transistor. That's a good strong joint.